Yo, Chili fam, what going on with y'all, man? And I just want to show y'all something real quick that I was talking about last video. My fans and stuff, you know, you can't cuss 2 minutes in the video. By the way, look at my bumper. It was already messed up, but it's just more, I don't know how this bumper is yellow. I guess the under it is yellow or something like that, but I got all kind of yellow accents all on the car. I don't know what that yellow is, but let me get back to what I was showing y'all though. Damn, I don't got no hydraulic good. Yo, time out, that junk shooting coolant. What the hell? The junk shooting coolant from right here. What the fuck? I hope it ain't no hole in my radiator, bro. I'm gonna be mad as shit. Alright, I don't know what the hell happened. All this coolant is on the ground right now. I got it to stop spraying. Y'all see all that? Damn, that shit pouring right there. Is that shit pouring from the bottom now? I just want to know where this is coming from. Like, where did it bust something? I definitely don't see nothing busted, but it was squirting from right there. It was squirting like from like right here, literally like squirting. Then I pressed on it and then like it stopped it, and then I don't know what this is right here. I definitely know these from these fans though. As y'all can see, these fans like, oh shit, I just touched the service bell, I'm tripping. But these fans like, they not even on. They're on, but they broke. And this side the only one that like really turned on and worked correctly. So we still gonna drive it if it's not. I'm gonna just see if it overheat. If it don't overheat, then I say we good to go. Alright man, I've been driving it for like probably 5-6 minutes, and the temp rose up higher than it's supposed to be, so we good. But we're filling up right now. I'm finna see how much it put. I put 35 in it, but it should fill it up for 35 because it's only $3.07 a gallon. It bitch should, you know what I'm saying? Hope it fill up, I don't know. But I was just in there, bro. Girl came in there, I'm telling you, bro, girls here is so manly, bro. Girls in Atlanta is so manly, bro. Girl just came up to me in there, she like, hey twin, my homegirl trying to get put on. I'm like, hold on, give me a minute. Them hoes was clapped. I'm talking about done. Them hoes was burnt. I told that hoe, hold on. I ain't gonna lie, I always feel like I be thinking like, what if one day I just mess up and put 87 in that bit on accident, like a little bit in there. It didn't fill it up, bro. My tank be taking like 11 gallons or 10.5. It's at 9. So that joint go fill it up, bro. I need all mines, baby. Turn that shit that, oh, I'm leaking it. Turn that shit that way. I need all mines. I gotta hurry up, the sun about to go down. Looks like this video go in early because I'm fucking smoking. That shit is crazy, bro. I'm gonna have to get a new radiator. Like, I hope I don't, bro. Look, my temps rising now. Oh my gosh. If it ain't one thing, it's another for sure. We see a 300ZX though. What you talking about? I'm still driving it crazy and the temps is rising. I'm just surprised, like that's crazy. I really don't even want to stop at no lights now, bro. And look, as soon as I say that, it turn yellow. Well, I guess we gonna be cutting up on the way back to the crib. Oh, bro, I think I got a warranty on these. Yo, I think I got a lifetime warranty. If I do, I'm returning these fans, bro. ASAP. No lie. ASAP, I'm returning these fans. I'm pretty sure I think I do got a warranty. Because if you order off the Mishimoto website, you get a warranty. My shit OD smoking. Fuck. All that coolant. Yo, don't be looking at me. See what I'm saying? I gotta hurry up and get home. This shit about to blow. Literally. I'm about to go when it's not in my time. I gotta stop pushing. I keep asking myself how, but I know how. It's the fucking fucking fans. I hate that shit. Like, why? I don't even want to slow down, bro. They gonna see the smoke and I'm gonna be embarrassed. I'm embarrassed as fuck. It ain't like it's the first time this shit done happened. It done happened a couple times. Let me take this out of manual mode. I might still upload this. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Why are you going so slow? The nigga turned already. Nobody in front of you and this nigga's still going slow. So my coolant, my thing is above, over the red line where it's not supposed to be at. Then my coolant line just went back all the way down. That means it's overheating for real. I try to make it all the way back home, bro. God damn, my neighbor's outside probably and shit. It's a 2J, bro. It can make it. It's gonna make it back. Like, why now? Let me go first. Go ahead, go, Brody. Go ahead, go, Brody. Go ahead, go, Brody. Go ahead, go, Brody. Go ahead, go. I gotta go now. Y'all see that? My shit bad. Damn, that shit look like a smoke machine. I don't even want to open it up right now. Y'all see the coolant on the hood? Damn. And it's coming right from down there. Oh man. Time for new fans, bro. I'm pretty sure it's spraying from that exact same spot right now. This junk is crazy, but I got a warranty on the radiator, but damn, right? Like, why though? You know what I'm saying? Damn, man. On that traction out, bitch!
Lay up with a vibe and night off. Spend the night and I'm fucking the lights off. Spray the drums out your car like some lights off.